Hello everybody, Zachary Fruhling, aka Cozy Azeroth here. I am working my way through an old programming book, 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer, and I am up to program number 53, which is largest. This is on the heels of the previous video, which was number 52, which is smallest. So if you are curious about that one, be sure to check that out on my YouTube channel. You can find it under Cozy Azeroth or under my name, Zachary Fruhling. I'm going to read the program description, get into Classic 99, get into TI Basic, type the program in, run it, see what we can learn from it, and see what we can make it do. Okay, this is program number 53, which is largest. Suppose you have a group of numbers and you would like to know which number is largest within the group. Here's a software routine for your computer so it can locate the largest number. You can key in as many numbers as you wish. To end that entry cycle, type in a 0. The computer will see that 0 as its cue to leave the entering routine and get on with computing. Line 40 tests each new number as you enter it. If a new number is larger, that new number is stored in memory location D. At the end of the entry cycle, the largest number is left stored in D. Line 70 recalls that largest number and prints it. Okay, let's get a type in. TI Basic. 10, call clear. 20, input to give me a number. And we are going to call that numeric variable z. 30, if z equals 0, then 60. Excuse me, z equals 0, then 60. 40, if z is greater than d, then 44. 42, go to 20. 44, d equals z. Oops, typo there, d equals z, there we go. 50, go to 20. 60, print, and 65, print. 70, print, the largest number is. And we are going to use a semicolon and D. Okay, 100, 110, and 120 are all print. $130, go to 20, and that is the end of the program. Okay, let's clear the screen. We're going to list out the program. Looking for any obvious typos, syntax errors, things like that. At a glance, it looks pretty good, so let's give the program a run. Give me a number, so we can enter as many numbers as we like here, and it's going to tell us which number is largest. And kind of arbitrarily, I'm going to do local area codes. Okay, 707, 831, 415, 209, 916. And okay, let's say of those, which is the largest number? Should be 916, right? Alrighty. Let's do that again, just to make double sure that the last number entered isn't the one being recorded. So I'm going to mix these up just a little bit. So 209, 415, 916, 831, 707, and let's just throw a random other number in there. I don't know. How about 1969? Okay, so it should be. Oh, actually, I shouldn't have done that. 1969, that's the largest one. Let's do. I don't know, 1978. I guess that's also the largest. Let's do, let's see, how about 1776, 1492, Columbus sailed the ocean blue. Let's do, I don't know, 1092. Okay, so now the largest number should be, 1978. So if we hit 0, there we go, 1978. It looks to be working like a charm, so to speak. Well, that was the largest number. This is a pretty simple program. All it does is keep track of each number as you enter it, check to see if it's larger than all the previous numbers. Actually, not even that. Just checks to make sure it's larger, whether it's larger than the previous largest number, and eventually we end the sequence and it just gives you the largest number. Pretty simple program. In any case, that was number 53, which is largest, from the book 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A Home Computer. I am working my way through all 101 programs from this old book that I used to carry around and pore over and come home from school and type these programs into an actual TI-99 4A. If you are watching this after the fact on my YouTube channel, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under my Twitch handle, Cozy Azeroth, or under my real name, Zachary Fruhling, for lots more TI-99 4A content, lots of retro programming, retro gaming, World of Warcraft, live streaming periodically, and miscellaneous educational content on topics of interest to me, both professionally and personally. And if you're watching this live on Twitch, same thing, be sure to check out my YouTube channel for all the above. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please check out my Twitch channel under Cozy Azeroth for live streams and all the above. You can participate in the chat while I create these videos and or watch me play World of Warcraft. In any case, I appreciate likes and follows and subscriptions. Every little bit helps these days. Everything's expensive, and these are challenging financial times, so I really appreciate the subscriptions. They really help me out. In any case, I will catch everyone for the next video, and looking ahead, it looks like the next video is reciprocals. We're doing some math programs here, so check back either on Twitch or on a future video on YouTube if you want to watch me do reciprocals on the TI-99 4A emulator Classic 99. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you in the next video.